Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. In this JustFly booking platform review, we'll delve into the user experience and explore its features in detail. JustFly, a travel booking platform renowned for its competitive prices and user-friendly interface, offers a streamlined booking process. Links to JustFly are provided in the description below. Feel free to check them out after the video. JustFly is designed specifically for budget-minded travelers seeking affordable flight, hotel, and car rental options. Its intuitive search engine empowers users to quickly compare prices from numerous airlines, encompassing both major carriers and budget-friendly alternatives. A key feature of JustFly is its dynamic price comparison tool, ensuring you access the most up-to-date rates. It displays real-time prices across various dates and destinations. The platform also offers flexible date searches, allowing you to explore different travel dates for potential cost savings. JustFly's customizable search filters are another valuable asset. You can refine your search results based on price, flight duration, stopovers, departure times, and preferred airlines. This allows you to tailor your itinerary to your specific needs and preferences. Beyond flights, JustFly offers discounted hotel rates and car rental deals, positioning itself as a comprehensive travel planning platform. The Fare Alert feature is especially useful. You'll receive notifications about price drops for selected routes, enabling you to book at the optimal moment. Booking through JustFly is a straightforward process, and you'll receive your tickets or booking confirmations promptly via email. While JustFly excels in pricing and ease of use, it's important to note that customer service reviews are somewhat varied. Some users have reported challenges with refunds or flight changes. Therefore, it's highly recommended that you carefully review JustFly's cancellation policies before finalizing your purchase. In summary, JustFly is a suitable choice for travelers aiming to save money without compromising on convenience. It's particularly beneficial for those prioritizing the best flight deals and appreciating a simple, user-friendly booking experience. If you've used JustFly or have any questions about its features, please share your thoughts and inquiries in the comments section below. For additional information, be sure to visit the links provided in the description. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful trip.